Hello and welcome. We are driving. Yes, we are in Poland, and yeah, I had few days off, and it's basically Monday. Yeah, it's Monday, 27th of October, and we are going. Yes, we are going across Poland to basically take ferry boat to Sweden, and then from Sweden we are going somewhere close to Stockholm. Yeah, I don't remember the exact city. I will probably write you on the screen. Yeah, I'm going with my colleague. He is there in front of me. We are taking the same ferry boat, but he has completely different load for Sweden. Yeah, in different place. So we are just driving together to ferry boat, and you know, that's it. Oh, 7 degrees outside, it's very windy, very windy. Polish country roads. The quality, sometimes it is here, sometimes the quality is basically leaving the chat. Yeah, that's it. But it is how it is. We are going for it. Later on I will just take some diesel, because I have just 75%. Which is like, you know, technically it would be okay, but it is good to have more, yeah. Especially that diesel in Sweden is expensive, yeah. So it's better to take it in Poland. As you can hear, people are talking. We are getting closer to the highway. Yes, finally. I'm driving on those country roads forever and ever, yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, we have 400 kilometers. 400 kilometers. Basically to Baltic Sea. Yeah, to Baltic Sea. Something like 50 kilometers more, and something like 50 kilometers more, and we are going to be in the middle of Poland. Yeah, exactly in the middle. As you can see, finally we are on the highway, and I have 385 kilometers to destination, and we have to drive 377 kilometers forward. I love it. I just love it. Okay, so what is happening? Look at this. I have 2.9 kilometers to the parking, 2 minutes of driving time, and 4 minutes of driving time here. Yeah, so it's going to be close, yeah? It is going to be close. I need to stop driving till the end of time, yeah, because it's just driving at the edge of violation, yeah? As you can see, I have parked, yeah, and look. 1 minute of driving time left. 1 minute. Oh my god, perfection. I got myself a Subway sandwich and a coffee, obviously. A second one today. Look at this guy in front of me. He is doing 92 kilometers per hour. What? What the fuck? What? Like, I was driving 90 and he started to overtake me, you know, so I was like, okay, I'm slowing down, yeah? And as you can see, he is doing 92 per hour. Locked, you know, it is not downhill. Holy. Okay, so as you can see, we have arrived to city of Gdynia. Yes, I have just 5 kilometers to the parking. Yeah. Okay, so that's the place. That is the place. 5:30 p.m. and the ferry boat will departure at 9 p.m. So we have plenty of time. Yeah, we have to park somewhere. It is not like in Sweden that you have plenty of places, yeah. As you can see, it's kinda full, yeah. It's kinda full. But okay. Anyway. It is how it is, yeah. It's Poland, not Sweden. Okay, I guess that we are going to wait already here in this line. Okay.
Dobrze masz wagę?
Ma pan czerwoną kartkę za szybą?
Tak.
9.
9, dobra. As you can see, we are entering, finally. Yes, finally. Almost 9 p.m.
Dobra, dobra.
Okay, so hello and welcome from the ferry boat. Yes, we are in Sweden. Sweden. Oh my god. Sweden. And yeah, that's the address to go. We have something like 500 or 600 kilometers. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. 526. I don't have GPS because we are still on the ferry boat, not on the land. But I will go like that. Yeah, I will take highway to Stockholm. It's going to be easier. It will be probably 20 or 30 kilometers more, but I just don't want to deal with Swedish country roads today. I had a shitty night at this ferry boat. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, people are walking. And I have no idea if I will be able to unload, because this company probably is working to 2 p.m. Okay, let's go. Shit, we are going. Holy shit. Sweden, welcome. We are going. Oh my god. Oh, it is high and there is water. Oh my god, I have anxiety attack right away. Like, imagine dropping down there. Oh my god. Oh, Sweden, beautiful Sweden. Like, look at the weather. Like, the weather, like, we have sun. Like, we have clouds, but we have sun. It's better weather than in Poland. Now I have to brake. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's go. We're getting the fuck out of here. Because I have like 550 kilometers, yeah. Yeah, last time I was waiting here, exactly here I was waiting. Yeah. For the same ferry boat, to be honest. Let's go. Sweden, oh my god, Sweden. Yeah, this sound is just because of seatbelts. Look at this, nice. Okay, and that's the exit, but people are waiting. I don't know why. Maybe there is a police control, maybe, because sometimes there is a police control. So maybe. So we are waiting.